So today we're taking a look at some more Aramid cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max and iPhone Air. And this case may be their best one yet. And I'm talking about the Benks Armor Pro for the iPhone 17 Pro Max and iPhone Air. Now, huge shout out to Benks for sending these over to me to review for you guys. The prices range from $39.99 to $59.99 depending on the color and material that you get. So, of course, all links are down in the description below, as well as a discount code that I have right here. Use code Brian15 to save 15% off of your entire purchase at Benks website. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, we're going to start off with the Armor Grid, which is their newest design as far as the Pro cases, but I'll of course show you all the other ones and tell you about them. So, starting off, classic Benks packaging, but they did change it a little bit. So it says Benks iPhone Case Armor Grid. This is the Pro full coverage. I like that they designate that on the boxes now. If it's a Pro case, it will say that. If it's an Air, it will not. Designed for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. On the back, you get a little more information there. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is going to be their best one yet is that finally the entire lineup, at least all the cases that I have. Now, I don't unfortunately have the 600D for the iPhone 17 Pro Max or the Montage Pro. I'm not sure why Benks didn't send those over to me, but we got what we got. I'll show you guys pictures and everything of the other ones as well, though. So the reason why I'm saying it is the best is because finally across all of the cases, we have the metal hardware back. Last year, some of them had plastic buttons and plastic camera rings, whereas other ones had metal. And it was kind of tough to figure out which ones had which without actually sitting here and feeling them for yourself or checking Benks' website. Well, now all these cases that I have in front of me have that, and I'm super happy. And all of the features about these cases are really good, but don't let me get ahead of myself. Let's go ahead and continue. So, like I said, this is going to be the Armor Grid. We also have in hand the Prestige, the Aurora, as well as the 600D for the iPhone Air. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the weights and measurements. Now, I already measured all these and weighed them out. So let's get started with the Armor Grid. Now, this one is going to be $39.99, and the weight on it is going to be 37 grams. It's 11.5 millimeters from front to back and 2.4 millimeters from inside to outside. Next up, we have the Aurora. This one is going to be $56.99. This one's going to weigh 38 grams. It'll be 11.6 millimeters from front to back and 2.5 millimeters from inside to outside. Then taking a look at the Prestige. This one is going to be $59.99. It's going to be 37 grams in weight, 11.5 millimeters from front to back, and 2.4 millimeters from inside to outside. Now let's take a look at that Armor Pro. So this one is going to be for the iPhone Air. It's going to be a little bit lighter than the rest, and it's going to be $39.99. Now the weight on this one is 33 grams, 8.4 millimeters from front to back, and inside to outside is 2.4 millimeters. Now this case is also going to come in Montage and Armor Pro 600D for that 17 Pro Max. So you get a few different color options for the 17 Pro Max as well as for the iPhone Air. A lot of them come interchangeably as far as color and design. But let's go ahead and take a look at that cosmic orange in this Armor Grid right here. Starting off with that click. Woo! Solid click onto there. This is going to have a very good fit going all the way around. Around your buttons has a little more give as expected. Same with the camera control. Bottom is pretty good. And top could have a little bit better of a fit right there, but it should be just fine. I don't foresee this coming off of your phone if you were to drop it or anything like that. Now, taking a look at those corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All 4 corners have a pretty good fit on there. These don't even want to come off. They almost want to just go right back onto the phone, which isn't a bad thing because you want to make sure it has a nice fit onto there. That's not going to be an issue. Now, taking a look at that screen and camera protection, of course, I'll show you guys the Air in a second as well. But full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and you're getting a slight screen lip on here. This is a Pro case. I do wish it had a little bit more of a screen lip, but it's going to be just fine for flat surfaces, but I would be careful on anything jagged. And then that camera bump, you're getting a nice metal camera ring around here, so you can feel free to set this on basically any surface because it is raised up pretty well right there, so you shouldn't have any issues when it comes to the back of this. Now, talking about the back of the Armor Grid specifically, this is my favorite design. I think this Armor Grid looks really, really nice. You do get a little slight logo down there, And then just going around the sides of the phone, we do have the top is closed in. On the left-hand side, you do have your action button, volume up and down. Nice and clicky. Let's listen to how these sound. Very clicky, nice buttons, no issues with that. They do protrude a little bit. Then moving along to the bottom of the case, you do have dot cutouts for your mic and your speaker, as well as a pretty decently open USB Type-C port, which let me go ahead and bring over a cable here, plug that in. There we go, we are charging. And you have ample amount of room for any of your thicker head cables. You'll have no problems. And then going over to the right-hand side, all of the cases now come with a camera control button, which is the same exact camera control button across the entire board. So we're going to test it right here, but just know any of the cases you get, this is the identical button between all of them. So taking a look at that camera control, let's go ahead and do that, click it. And we know Benks, guys. We know Benks' camera control button. It was good last year, and it's good this year. No complaints at all. Go ahead and take our usual picture here. Let me zoom out a little bit. Jeez, this 8x zoom is something crazy. There we go. Take that, and here we go. Everything looks just fine. Everything works just fine. And of course, we have a metal power button right here. So let's set this one off to the side for now and take a look at the Armor Air. Now, this is going to be that 600D, like I said, and you do, of course, get that same metal camera ring, same metal buttons, the same clickiness. Let's listen to these. Nice and clicky. On the bottom, we do have dot cutouts for the microphones, no speakers on the bottom here, and a nice cutout again for the USB-C port. Let's actually see if this will fit because, again, some of these ports, now here's where an issue lies, and that's not necessarily the design of the case. That is because your USB-C port is not directly centered on the Air. So this issue is going to lie right here where you're not going to be able to plug in the cable into this. So a lot of the time you may need a case that doesn't really have a lip at the bottom or the protection at the bottom for certain cases, especially ones that give you a little bit more of a raise, as you guys can see right there, just because some cables, especially with an edge on the cable, may not fit in there. So that is definitely something to note, but of course you do have wireless charging still with this phone if you'd like to use that. Now I did want to bring over an official Apple cable right here, and this one actually will fit in there. It is plugged in nicely. So just know that if you do use an Apple cable, an Apple branded USB Type-C cable, it will fit in there with no issues. It is good to go. It's not plugged in, so you won't see it charging. But that's going to be the bottom. And then the right-hand side, of course, same camera control button as we know. That range is so little on the Air. It's pretty funny. So nice camera control button right there. This is what we're going to be looking like with that 600D. Very classic Benks material right there. So B, what do you think about the iPhone 17 Pro Max and iPhone Air Benks Armor Pro? I like it, guys. It's going to have a good fit on there. It's going to have nice clicky buttons, metal hardware all around finally. The price could use to be a little bit lower, especially on the Prestige where you're talking $59.99. But I understand somewhat because it does have different materials in there. It does require more effort to stitch it all together and weave it. So that is understandable compared to something like the Armor Pro 600D, which is just that one-tone 600D material. But all around, it's a very nice case. Not a pinky destroyer either, guys. You know what it is. Double phones, two phones. No pinky destruction on either side. It is good to go. And that is, of course, the same way across the board with all of the other cases. So anyways, let's go ahead and check out that MagSafe real quick. We'll give our final thoughts and get out of here. So starting off, we'll do the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now these are all going to have the same MagSafe as well. I have tested that off of the camera just to kind of save a little time in the video. But starting off with our Apple MagSafe wallet, there we go. We are going to get our animation, and it's pretty good right there. I would say just because this is a little bit smooth, it may end up not being so great with like a smooth leather MagSafe wallet, but the connection is not bad whatsoever. You do have to give it a little bit of force. Bring over our Apple MagSafe battery pack, attach that. It is charging. We didn't get the animation this time, but you will get the animation, don't worry. Giving this a shake, and we know Benks MagSafe, good to go. No problems there with this one. And then moving along to the Anker 623, and it'll hold it. You can give it a little bit of a shake before that'll come off. So it'll still hold on your nightstand charger, your car mounts, all that stuff. But let's actually test out the other cases just with this stand so we, don't waste too much time. Going over to that Aurora, attach that. just about the same MagSafe right there. Give that a little bit of a shake, it'll come off, but again, just fine for everything that you need with MagSafe. Bringing over the Prestige, same MagSafe. Give it a little bit of a shake, that will come off. Oh, caught that. That almost dented the desk. So, good MagSafe all the way around. Oh, we didn't test the air. Let's test the air. Here we go. And the air might be better than the rest of them. Look at that. Yeah. The 600D, and I'm assuming that's going to be the same way on the 17 Pro Max because there's not so much of that fiber intertwined, it's just the one. And there's also very slight texture on the back of this one, same thing with the 17 Pro Max 600D, as opposed to these other ones that definitely have a lot more texture on the back, so that may interfere with the MagSafe a little bit, but as you guys saw, it's not a big deal, it still holds it. Just the Armor 600D Armor Pro, I should say, is going to have the best MagSafe strength out of all of them. Now, like I said, Benks did not send those over to me, so I don't have them in front of me right now to test for you guys, but I just know because of how these fibers work and how all the MagSafe works between them, I know that the 600D is going to have the best MagSafe, and I believe it was like that last year as well. But all around, I think these are excellent cases. The price points, especially on the 600D, that might be the one to buy, or honestly, where is it here? This is my favorite one out of them all. It used to be the Montage, but ever since I saw this design, this is the way to go. So let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. I definitely recommend it. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these videos for you. We're this close to hitting 10,000 subs, guys. I would love to see that happen. So if you enjoyed what you saw here, you like what I had to say, make sure you get subbed up because we got a ton of accessories coming. All the aramid fiber, the leather, the non-leather, whatever you guys want is coming on the channel, so get subbed up. But if you guys want to see another excellent aramid fiber case, I'll leave that video right here. If you guys want to see my full review for that iPhone Air, I did a whole week with it as my main phone. That video is right here.